BMW reaches into its heritage vault and pulls out something magical. The 2026 R100 blends timeless boxer soul with modern craftsmanship. This is nostalgia done right. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're exploring BMW's beautiful tribute to its air-cooled legacy. The R100 nameplate returns, and it brought serious charm along. Let's dive in. Design. The design is where this motorcycle truly shines. Classic round headlight, flowing tank lines, and that unmistakable boxer silhouette create instant emotional connection. Chrome accents and premium paint options elevate the retro aesthetic beautifully. Every angle celebrates BMW's rich motorcycling history while feeling completely fresh and relevant today. Performance. Powering the R100 is BMW's refined 1000cc air-cooled boxer twin. Smooth torque delivery makes cruising absolutely effortless, with enough character to remind you this engine has real personality. The chassis balances comfortable geometry with capable handling, perfect for relaxed weekend rides or longer touring adventures. It's engaging without being demanding. Features and technology. Despite the classic appearance, modern technology hides beneath. A discrete digital display provides essential information without disrupting the vintage look. Ride modes, ABS, and traction control offer contemporary safety nets. USB charging and LED lighting add practical touches. BMW balanced heritage styling with modern expectations thoughtfully. Conclusion. The 2026 BMW R100 captures something special, genuine emotion paired with trusted German engineering. For riders craving character and soul, this delivers wonderfully. Does the R100 speak to you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, hit like and share it around. Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest motorcycle coverage. Until next time, ride well.